Hi, I'm David with Silver Seas Yachts, and this is a 2021 43 LE Tiara Yacht. Has 4 GT blue hull paint and crystal white boot stripe. Has a dive door here with a ladder that'll fit there. It's powered with 3 450 horsepower Racing Mercury motors. Has the Kenyan grill here. Hot and cold water shower here. Dive door will seal off. Teak table and leg rests, and that entire seat there will swivel 360 degrees. This is the fold down balcony door. Also has a ladder that'll fit in that stainless steel fitting. There's our stereo control for the Fusion stereo. Storage under these seats with an ice chiller under one of them. The chiller control is right there, and then storage here. This is a refrigerator. Has architectural teak throughout the floor. Storage here, and hot and cold water sink there. This pulls out and covers up. There's another refrigerator here. Has storage and trash cans here. These 2 chairs will swivel. Has a Samsung TV. Will fold up with the push of a button. This chair also will swivel. It's got a leg rest there that'll pop up for more height when you're driving. Has the dual Garmin screens. Here's my joystick, skyhook, and auto heading, and then my Lumar bow thruster. We have Lenco automatic trim tabs, digital throttle and shift, and cockpit air and heat. A Ritchie compass flush mounted there. And there's our vessel view with the information on the engine hours and maintenance and RPMs. On this side we have our Seakeeper display, our Fusion stereo, and our third Garmin screen. There's the air conditioning control, a leg rest, and an ice maker. These seats come with full covers when you're storing them. Now as we go into the cabin, we have real teak wood floors. Big VIP bed with windows and a porthole there for fresh air, and it has screens and reading lights. And storage under here for your life jackets and safety gear. Here's another flat screen TV. Behind that is our DC system, AC system, stereo control, waist monitors, generator start, and our Apple TV. Teak wood floors here. A bowl sink, storage. Dometic freshwater flush, and a large, tall, stand-up shower. Going into the aft bedroom, I have a little couch right here, and then a nice big double bed. More teak wood floors in here, and your closet here. There's your sliding door, that's your screen door, and there's your second door. Down here in the mechanical room, we have a Seakeeper 6 and an Onan generator. There's the Onan generator, and there's the Seakeeper 6. This table you see here, when it's not being used, it stores right there and straps in. And this is where the chiller box is. Has the make fast shade, has a Wi-Fi extender, and the Garmin open array radar. It's in great condition, low hours, just a beautiful boat. There it is, the 43 LE Tiara 2021.